What's the meaning of confused? Confused. Confused.
Confused. Confused. Confused is an adjective that describes a state of being bewildered or uncertain. Someone who is confused may feel disoriented or lacking clarity in their thoughts or actions. They may struggle to make sense of a situation, experience a lack of understanding, or be unsure about what to do next. Confusion can also be caused by conflicting information or expectations. Overall, confusion can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and stress, as a person tries to navigate through an unclear situation.